If you own a Jaeger-LeCoultre timepiece, you know the brand's excellence firsthand. Jaeger-LeCoultre is a luxury watch brand known for its spectacular innovations in watchmaking. The French-Swiss brand has endured for just under 200 years, during which time it has built over 1,200 different movements and contributed dozens of groundbreaking developments to the world of watchmaking. Let's explore some of the history and finest contributions Jaeger-LeCoultre has made to watchmaking throughout the years, right after this short intro. In 1833, Antoine LeCoultre, a Swiss inventor and self-taught watchmaker, converted his family's barn into a watchmaking atelier. He spent the next several years there, refining his horological skills and revolutionizing the art of watchmaking. By 1851, LeCoultre's watches were so precise and his inventions so significant that he was awarded a gold medal at the first World Exhibition in London. Some notable contributions during this period were the millionometer in 1884. This device measured the micron, 1/1,000,000th of a meter, to refine watch part production. At the time, the millionometer was the most precise measuring instrument in the world. The keyless winding system in 1887. Nowadays, we use a crown to wind our mechanical watches. In LeCoultre's day, keys were used until he invented a system for winding and setting watches that didn't require a key, paving the way for the crowns we know today. By 1888, the LeCoultre Atelier was the most important company in the Vallée de Joux region. Its innovative machines, extraordinary efficient production, and many workers made LeCoultre a highly significant name in the watchmaking industry. In 1903, a partnership began between Antoine's grandson, Jacques-David LeCoultre, and Parisian watchmaker Edmond Jaeger. Jaeger, who brought with him French style and sophistication in his designs, had pioneered a method for making ultra-thin pocket watch movements. He then challenged LeCoultre to develop these movements. One collaboration turned into many, and in 1937, the company merged and was officially renamed Jaeger-LeCoultre. Some notable contributions during this period were the world's thinnest pocket watch in 1907. Jaeger's designs and LeCoultre's production lines developed the world's thinnest pocket watch. Extremely precise and slim enough to fit discreetly in any man's waistcoat, this pocket watch was equipped with the LeCoultre caliber 145. The Atmos pendulum clock in 1928. This clock's concept was created by Jean-Léon Reuter, another Swiss inventor. The patent was acquired by Jaeger, who shared it with the LeCoultre Atelier. LeCoultre developed the clock. The Atmos is a nearly perpetual motion clock capable of running entirely on temperature changes in the air. The engineering behind this design is brilliant. It's so efficient that one 15-watt light bulb consumes the same amount of energy as 60 million Atmos clocks. The caliber 101 in 1929. This innovative caliber is manually wound and, in line with the Jaeger's original challenge, built to be extremely small and lightweight. The caliber 101 is made of 98 components, but weighs only 1 gram. The reversal watch in 1931. The reversal was born when British officers in India grew tired of constant watch repairs and asked LeCoultre to design a watch that could survive their polo matches. As the name suggests, the reversal features a reversible watch case to protect the crystal. It's hailed as an Art Deco masterpiece and is still widely purchased today. As the Jaeger-LeCoultre name grew, it continued to create ingenious watch designs. Their innovative reputation led other luxury brands like Patek Philippe, Audemars Piguet, and Vacheron Constantin to approach Jaeger-LeCoultre to supply movements for several of their models, such as the Memovox in 1950. From the moment it was introduced, the Memovox set the new standard in alarm watches. The Memovox features a school bell alarm sound that has been further developed over the years to include functions like a car parking reminder and a world time display. The Polaris in 1968 is one of Jaeger-LeCoultre's most iconic models. This diving alarm watch was built with a patented triple case back system to harness the way sound diffuses underwater. Today, Jaeger-LeCoultre is incredibly respected for producing some of the most meticulously designed watches in the world. The brand designs, builds, decorates, and manufactures its movements and timepieces entirely in-house. Jaeger-LeCoultre continues its centuries-old commitment to innovation and continually proves to watchmakers worldwide that there's always something new to build when it comes to watchmaking. Just like the Gyro Tourbillon in 2004. This watch is the first multi-axis tourbillon watch. The tourbillon complication is designed in a spherical shape, allowing the balance and escapement to rotate in two planes through every possible position. It revolutionized the accuracy of watch movements, and it's mesmerizing to see in action. The dual wing movement in 2007. Because of the way a chronometer works with the rest of a watch movement, watches with chronometers face issues with quickly drained power sources and inaccurate timekeeping. That is, until the invention of the dual wing movement. It introduced two separate power reserves and a system that doesn't allow interference with the watch's precision. This way, the wearer can use the chronograph freely without worrying about scheduling a Jaeger-LeCoultre watch repair to fix the precision of their timekeeper. And last but certainly not least, the Master Grande Tradition Gyro Tourbillon Westminster Perpetuel 2019. This piece is an absolute mastery of watchmaking. It incorporates the spherical gyro tourbillon and plays the Westminster Carillon, which was made famous by the tower housing Big Ben at Westminster Palace in London. It also features a perpetual calendar mechanism that includes the weekday, date, month, and year.